Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you how to make this very simple and lush turmeric foaming body scrub, so stick around. I know you told your friend you're not okay. To make our body scrub, we're going to first be needing our sugar. I'm using white sugar. You can also use brown sugar. This is the major ingredient in this scrub. This is what is going to be exfoliating your skin. So this is not optional. You have to use your sugar. Now I'm just going to turn my sugar into the mixing bowl, the bowl I'll be making the entire scrub in. The full list of the ingredients with your measurements will be at the end of this video, so make sure you watch till the end. The next ingredient you need to make this body scrub is our carrier oil. I'm using argan oil, but you can use any other carrier oil like coconut oil, olive oil, any other carrier oil is fine. So you can choose any oil that your skin loves. Now I'm just going to be adding my carrier oil into the white sugar or brown sugar if that's what you're using. After adding it in, I'm going to give it a very good mix to ensure that our sugar and the oil is well combined. You don't want your sugar scrub to have lumps, so make sure you give this a very good mix before you proceed to adding the other ingredients. The next ingredient I'll be going in is my vegetable glycerin. This is a very important ingredient. Vegetable glycerin is a humectant. It will help to moisturize your skin, keep your skin looking soft and supple. So now I'm going to add the vegetable glycerin into our sugar and oil mix. The next ingredient you're going to be needing is a shower gel or body wash. You can use any shower gel of your choice. This is what will make our scrub a foaming scrub. So this is what will give our scrub that foaming effect. Now next up we're going to add our shower gel into the rest of our ingredients. And after adding it again, we're going to give this a very good mix and ensure that everything is well combined. Now if at this point you notice that your scrub is too runny and you want it to be more stiff, you can add more sugar. I'm just going to give this a very good mix and ensure that everything is well combined before we move on to adding other ingredients. I suggest you add the shower gel bit by bit so that you don't add too much. Now at this point everything is well combined, and now we can move on to adding other ingredients. Now our next ingredient is the star of the show. It's our turmeric powder. This is ground turmeric powder. I'm going to be adding it into the scrub to give us our beautiful turmeric scrub. Turmeric is a really great ingredient, especially for pigmentation. So if you have hyperpigmentation, this is a really great ingredient. I'm going to add the turmeric powder into our scrub and then give it a very good mix. You want your turmeric to be evenly distributed, so you have to mix very well. Now at this point you can see that our scrub now has this yellowish color, and that's because of the turmeric powder. At this point you can add fragrance if you like, but I do not like to add any fragrance into my scrub, so I will not be adding any one, but you can add one if you like. Once you have your scrub looking beautiful like this, at this point you can go ahead and pack your scrub into your jar and save it for use. Now let me tell you a little about the goodness of this scrub. This turmeric scrub will not only exfoliate your skin, but it will also cleanse your skin in the process since it's a foaming scrub. This scrub will help brighten hyperpigmentation. It will help moisturize your skin because of the vegetable glycerin which we added in. So this scrub is so good. It is a lot of things. Now at this point you can just keep your scrub and use. I suggest that you make it in little batches, so you use it and make a new batch every 2 weeks. If you watched this video till this point and you found it helpful and interesting, please make sure you hit that like button, drop a comment, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Bye.